A handful of ghost comets are racing through our solar system, accelerating like icy bodies, but looking as bland as space rocks. Astronomers call them dark comets, and new research suggests these stealthy objects might rewrite how we think about water delivery, planetary defense, and even comet death. The mystery began in 2016 when NASA trajectory expert David Farnokia noticed asteroid 2003 RM drifting off course in a way gravity and sunlight alone could not explain. Similar non-gravitational accelerations later turned up in 13 more objects, and all lacked the telltale gas and dust that make ordinary comets easy to spot. Planetary scientist Daryl Seligman dubbed the group dark comets, suggesting they vent only faint puffs of vaporized ice, invisible to current telescopes. By 2024, researchers had cataloged 14 dark comets and realized they split into two families. Outies are larger, shinier bodies with Jupiter-like orbits, perhaps normal comets slowly suffocating under blankets of fallback dust. Innies are tiny, some just 10 meters wide on nearly circular paths inside Earth's orbit, raising the puzzle of how they retain ice so close to the sun. None shows the dust plumes that even a kilogram of material would produce, implying vents the size of pinholes. Solving the riddle could answer three big questions. First, dark comets may be a nearby source of Earth's water, easier to deliver than far-flung Kuiper Belt comets. Second, their quirky thrust complicates orbit predictions, so understanding them is vital for planetary defense. And third, they reveal a previously unseen endpoint in comet evolution. Instead of spectacular breakups, some comets may simply smother themselves in dust and fade into asteroid lookalikes. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory, coming online this year, is expected to multiply the dark comet census within months. Researchers also hope to secure observing time on the James Webb Space Telescope to search for invisible water vapor around known candidates. A detection would be case closed. And in a lucky twist, Japan's Hayabusa 2 spacecraft is already en route to the 10-meter object K, Y26, an inner dark comet scheduled for close-up study in 2031. If these missions spot even the faintest outgassing or expose buried ice, the dark comets will step from rumor to established population, unlocking fresh secrets about the solar system's past and offering a new class of targets for future sample return adventures.